Okay, so it's been a while since I've posted progress, but rebuild is almost done. Just put the head gasket on. This is the better block that I used. I changed, put the better water pump on. This is a cheap build, so we're using whatever parts that look okay. Yeah, new front case, sprockets, chain, guides, steel, very nice. And the head, all cleaned. That doesn't look very clean, but trust me, it's a lot better than it was. Not much to say. Those little case threaded, chased all the bolts for the head. Also tapped all the head bolts. That's pretty important from what I've heard. There's a lot of 22REs. Head gasket goes because of improper torque on the studs. So it's important to chase them and clean them as best possible. So yeah, that is going to go in there hopefully in a few days.